welcome to my channel. My name is Larissa and you are watching my YouTube channel Parker Kate, where I feature lifestyle, beauty, and fashion videos. Now it is the first day of fall as I'm filming this. This is also my birthday. Yay, birthday! Anyways, that means I love all things fall, including fall fashion, makeup, and drinks. Yes, that even means the pumpkin spice latte. Actually, I like anything pumpkin spice latte inspired. So that was the inspiration for today's makeup look for my first video in my fall series. I'm going to be doing a pumpkin spice fall inspired makeup look using the KKW Beauty Matte Cocoa palette. Cocoa. The brown matte palette that Kim Kardashian came out with. I also have the Smoke palette. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. Also guys, do me a big favor. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to say hi to me in the comments below. And let's get into the video. Okay guys, so for foundation today, I'm going to be going in with a full coverage bad guy because I need one. This is a drugstore foundation. I really like this. This is the Milani 2-in-1. This is a foundation and concealer together, and I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender and apply this. Now I'm going to go in with concealer. This is also full coverage. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Concealer by It Cosmetics. So what I do is I just take the tiniest little bit of this and I place it on the back of my hand, and then I take my finger just to kind of warm up the product because this is very, very thick and full coverage. And then I just dab it in any areas, like under my eyes and on any imperfections that I need more coverage. Then to set that, I'm going to be going in with my MAC Studio Fix. This is in the color NW20. And I'm going to be going in with a damp beauty sponge once again, just to go in and set everything. Alright guys, now that our base is done, I'm going to take a sip of my latte. There's nothing like a really good cup of coffee, a latte, whatever you choose to drink. Actually, that's what inspired me for today's look. This is the first video of fall. We're actually going to be doing an eye-inspired look inspired by the pumpkin spice season. So for today's eye look, I'm using the KKW Beauty palette. This is the mocha one, and then there is also the smoke one, which I'll be showing you later on in a different video. I love the colors in this. This is an all matte 12 pan palette. So there's a couple cool tones, a couple warm tones, and I am just totally obsessed. So first I'm going to go in with this Kai right here. I'm just going to be applying this into the crease. So obviously with a lot of KKW Beauty eyeshadow palettes, I found that there is a lot of fallout. So always make sure to tap off your brush. You can always wear an eye guard. This color, and I'm going to be working it into the crease and then to the other eye. Now I'm going to be building up the intensity of this eye, so don't worry. Taking the same blender brush, we're actually going to go with the color that's right under it. You just want to take it and go right over the color we just laid down on the crease. And it's okay if you get some on your eyelid. We're going to be going in and cleaning that up later. Don't worry about it. This blending brush is a little bit too big for my eye, so it's okay though, because I have smaller blending brushes. I'm going to be right back. Now I'm going to be taking a MAC 217 blending brush, and I'm going to be digging into this color right here. So this is the third color we're going to be applying into the crease. I don't know if you guys can see that. Whew, that's a lot of fallout. So I'm just going to be taking that and putting it just a little bit lower than the product that we just applied because I want this more into the crease because this is a smaller brush. Now I'm going to be applying it to the other eye. Again, putting it a little bit lower so in my actual crease line, and just buffing it in circular motions. Okay, now going back into the palette, we're going to be taking a mixture of these two colors in a flat shader brush. This one is from Urban Decay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix these two together, knock off the excess because there's a lot with these palettes, and I'm just going to be laying this color on the mobile eyelid. Then I'm going to be taking the more skin tone color, and I'm just going to be applying this underneath my brow bone. I just want to diffuse the top part of the crease. I'm going to be going back in with this color right here, just to lay it on top of the yellow. We just put down and neutralize our eyelids. Next, grabbing a pencil brush. This is what one of these guys looks like right here. I'm just going to be taking this shade right here and mixing it with this shade right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I will put the names again on the screen. I'm going to be applying this part to the outer V of the eye and into the crease. So again, start with small circular motions and then bring that down into the outer V. Then going in with a clean blending brush. This is the JH34. I'm just going to go in and lightly diffuse that area. So I'm going to be taking a small smudger brush. This is the JH43. I'm going to be going into this color right here. And I'm going to be going in with this guy right here to blend it out. Alright guys, I'm just going to hop off camera to apply some fake lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back guys. So I just went in with the number 11 Kiss lashes, which I have on my eyes. And I went in and I rimmed my eyes with this eyeliner right here. This is from MAC. This is Costa Rica, and I also dragged it under my lower lash line and I put it in my waterline. Alright, for blush, I'm going to be mixing two KKW Beauty blushes. This is the color Destiny and this is the color Grace. And then I'm actually going to be taking a little bit and applying it to the forehead. I know a lot of people don't like to do this, but I like to do it because it just makes me feel like my blush and my look is more put together. And then a little bit to the bottom of my chin. Now the Matte collection by KKW Beauty came out with two palettes. So the one that we used today was the Cocoa palette. I'm going to show you the other palette. This is the Matte Smoke palette. So this is the other one. So again, 12 matte shades, a little bit of, this is more of a cool tone palette, definitely more of the 90s inspired look as opposed to the palette that we used today. Now the collection also came with eyeliners and lip liners, and I'm not a really big fan of the KKW eyeliners and lip liners. I don't know how to sharpen them. I just feel like they're a little bit too creamy and they don't last as long as my regular lip liners do. But they also came out with 6 lipsticks with the matte collection, and I have all 6 here, of course, because you know I love lipsticks. So now that we have blush on, I want to go in and finish the look with lips. I'm going to be using lip liner. This is going to be the Morphe Backseat Love Lip Liner to line my lips with. So I'm just going to go and quickly fill those in. Then for lipstick, I'm going to be going in with the KKW Beauty Nude 3. So I'm just going to be applying this all over the lips. Okay, now I'm just going to be outlining my lips one more time, and I'm going to be doing a kind of a purple dark brown. This is the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the color Going Steady. I really like this lip liner. I'm just going to actually go in now kind of overline my lips a little bit. We're almost done. Now all I'm going to add is some highlighter. I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Film Star Bronze and Glow palette, and I'm going in with this Morphe blending brush. This is the Morphe M51. And I'm going to be digging into the highlight color and then just applying it to the top of my cheekbones. Just because we have a lot of matte going on, I kind of just want to add a little bit more of some dimension back in and some glow. Put a little bit down the center of the nose, in the chin. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning into my video. This is the final look for my fall pumpkin spice inspired look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box as usual, as well as my social media handles and my blog. If you have any requests for any fall themed videos or any videos you want to see, don't forget to let me know by leaving a comment below or reach out to me on any of my social media platforms. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!